Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Boy with English. Personal question. Be honest. When I speak right now, what happens inside brain? Hear English, just understand? Or voice to native language to analyze, to answer, to translate back? That second one, I know how you feel. Exhausting, isn't it? Slow, heavy, buffering, not speaking English, decoding English. 10 minutes, tired. Today, we fix. Stop struggle, learn, think, in English. Part 2, the middleman. Why translate? Fear. English equals math equation? Wrong. Cat equals gato. Red equals rojo. Languages equals feelings. Apple, no word picture. See apple, feel crunch, taste sugar. Middleman problem. Here's English, translates, gives native. Middleman slow, lazy, stutter cause. Today, fire middleman. English word directly image. Part 3, awakening. Start small. No book yet. Label world. Look away screen. Now. Find 3 objects. Say English, instant. No think, shoot. Table, light, phone, notice, no translation. Looked, word came. That feeling? Thinking English. Mission, daily, child again. Point, name, door, window, shoe. Burn connection brain. Part 4, level 2, become narrator. Life equals movie. You main character. Narrate now. Simple, robot. I am sitting, chair. I am watching video. I am breathing. No Shakespeare. Present. I am opening door. I am looking keys. Self-talk equals no pressure, no judge. Quietly training, middleman-free survival. Part 5, new reality. No need America think English. India, Brazil, Japan, same. Environment is not equal to country. Environment is equal to mind. Phone English, self-talk English. Narrate life English equals English world. Stop translating. Start living. Boy with English thanks you. Don't watch. Narrate life. I believe you. Bye now.